Hello and welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to link Amazon with CJ Dropping. If you're an online seller, you'll know how important it is to have a reliable and efficient way to manage your inventory. By linking Amazon with CJ Dropping, you can automate the process and save yourself a lot of time and effort. Step number 1. Sign up for CJ Dropping. The first step is to sign up for CJ Dropping. Go to the CJ Dropping website and create an account. Once you've created an account, you can start adding products to your inventory. Step 2. Create an Amazon seller account. If you don't already have an Amazon seller account, you will need to create one. Go to the Amazon Seller Central website and create an account. Once you've created an account, you can start setting up your inventory. Step 3. Connect your Amazon seller account to CJ Dropping. To connect your Amazon seller account to CJ Dropping, you'll need to go to the CJ Dropping website and click on the Integration tab. From there, click on the Amazon option and follow the instructions to connect your account. Step 4. Sync your inventory. Once your Amazon seller account is connected to the CJ Dropping account, you can start syncing your inventory. To do this, go to the Inventory tab on the CJ Dropping website and click on the Amazon option. From there, select the products you want to sync and click on the Sync button. Step 5. Manage your inventory. Now that your Amazon seller account is linked to CJ Dropping, you can start managing your inventory. You can track your inventory levels, add new products, and update existing products. CJ Dropping will automatically update your Amazon inventory based on the changes you make. Step 6. Fulfill orders. When a customer places an order on Amazon, CJ Dropping will automatically receive the order information and fulfill the order on your behalf. You will receive a notification when an order is placed, and CJ Dropping will take care of that for you. Step 7. Monitor performance. It is important to monitor the performance of your Amazon store to ensure that everything is running smoothly. You can use the CJ Dropping dashboard to track your sales, inventory levels, and order fulfillment. This will help you identify any issues and make adjustments as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can link Amazon with CJ Dropping and automate your inventory management. This will save you time and effort and help you grow your online business. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time.